Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Are you hearing me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry for a bit mistake. I started meeting with another link and I shared different link to you. Sorry for that, and we became late because of that reason. Do you have any problem from chapter of statistics?
No, sir.
If you have any question, you may ask it to me.
No, sir, no problem.
So our today's chapter is linear equations, and after this chapter we will go to quadratic equations. That means both chapters related to equations will do continuously because both are interrelated to each other. In both chapters, either in linear equations or in quadratic equations, we have to solve the equations by using different methods, as well as some verbal problems are also there which are also similar to each other. दुइटै सिमिलर भएको हुनाले सँगसँगै यो दुईटा च्याप्टरहरू हामी फिनिस गरौँला. ओके, सो at first, what is linear equation? First, let's go to its meaning. You have learned this type of equation in grade 8 also. Do you have any idea about it?
The equations containing two variables.
Two variables. Any other idea? Others don't want to say. Okay. Simply link it with line, linear and line, and understand the meaning from it. Linear equations are those equations which can be expressed in form of line in graph paper. Graph paper मा जसलाई line को form मा draw गर्न सकिन्छ. Those are linear equations. These are a first degree. First degree भनेको जसको degree 1 हुन्छ, or we can say first order. You have learned about the degree of the polynomial. Polynomial को degree 1 हुने जसको power मा 1 छ, highest power. Second degree if there is power 2, and if there is power 3, according to the powers we can categorize the polynomials. अब 2 degree को भयो भने त्यो linear equation होइन. If polynomial used in equation is of 1 degree, then only it is linear equation. Okay, so in its definition we can say this is the equation of first degree, equation of first degree or first order, and these can be defined as the lines in coordinate system. That means on graph paper we can draw these as line.
Yes, sir.
So simple examples are 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 5y is equal to 4. Just now Sangeeta said if there are two variables, just check these two examples. In second example there are two variables, but in first example what is there? There is only one variable. So we can't say that either there are two variable or there is only one variable. That does not matters here for linear equation. Linear
Yes.
equation, to be linear equation it must be of order 1 or degree 1, and second thing is it must be expressed in form of line in graph paper. Graph paper मा line को form मा express गर्न सक्ने हुनु पर्यो.
Yes, sir.
यस्तोलाई हामीले linear equation भन्ने हो. Already I have given two example to you. One is 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Another is 3x plus 5y is equal to 4. So we can categorize these equation into two parts. One is linear equation with one variable, that is this first one. एउटा मात्रै variable भएको, and after that more than one variable. Here are two variable. There may be three variable also. 3x plus 5y plus 6z equal to something. यसरी one भन्दा बढी भेरिएबल भएको पनि हुन सक्छ. So the equation with one variable or two variable or more variables यिनीहरूलाई जति क्याटेगोरी बनाए पनि हुन्छ, तर 1 and more. And next one, linear equation with more than one variable. एउटा यो one variable भएको एउटा equation भयो. If there are more than one variable, it is called simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous भनेको सँगसँगै आउने. Meaning of simultaneous is two things are moving together, two things are connected together, or more than one things are connected together. सँगसँगै गइराखेको छन्. That means two variables are in same equations together. So it is simultaneous linear equation. Here in this chapter, we'll discuss about the solution of simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation को solutions को बारेमा discuss गर्छौं. That means equations like this. यो second example मा भएको जस्तो example हरुको solution यहाँ हामीले find out गर्ने कोशिश गर्छौं. So to solve the simultaneous linear equations, that means equations with two variables. We are not going to solve equations with three variables here. We will solve up to two variables only. So while solving linear equations with two variables, there are three methods. These written inside the brackets are not real names. Substitution method, elimination method, and third one is graphical method. Substitution method, I have written here inside the bracket some words to make you understand. Substitution method means method of putting value. We have to take value from one equation and that value must be substituted in another equation. एउटा इक्वेसनबाट भ्यालु निकालेर अर्को इक्वेसनमा राख्नु पर्ने हो. We must put the value from one equation to another. Then we will get the required values of unknown variables. Okay, I have seen 39 chats in chat box and 51 participants. So all of you do your attendance in chat box. That is for official record purpose. And you know we conducted first term examination.
Yes, sir.
And there was the
Yes.
problem in result of that. So very
Yes,
soon
sir.
we are going to prepare complete result of first term examination. For that one,
Yes.
there will be different norms. त्यहाँ डिफ्रेन्ट कन्डिसन्सहरू युज गरेर हामीले तिमीहरूको मार्क्सहरू थप गर्नेवाला छौँ. According to your attendance, according to your homeworks, either you are sending to teachers, different norms will be there. So one norm will be attendance also. We'll check your attendance as well as punctuality. You are coming regularly or not. So be serious about it. त्यसको कम्प्लिट रिजल्ट बन्नेवाला छ. धेरैकोमा मिस्टेक थियो, कसैको त्यहाँ सबमिट नभएको एन्ड सम अफ not that response was not received and some other problems were also there, either due to your poor network or because of problem in that Google Forms. अब त्यो बचेको स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुको लागि कसरी हामीले गर्ने भन्यो. अलरेडी आई सेड according to attendance, homework and interaction in classes. So be serious about your online class. यो फिजिकल क्लास स्टार्ट गर्न सकिने गभर्नमेन्टले चाहिँ यो बाहिर स्कुलहरूले जबरजस्ती खोलिरहेको हो. म्याक्सिमम स्कुलहरूले गभर्नमेन्टसँग हामीले जसरी पनि खोल्नु छ, बिकज दे थिङ्क द्याट इज देयर बिजनेस. प्राइभेट स्कुल्स आर जेनरली
Yes, sir.
टाइप अफ बिजनेस हो. त्यसैले अब फी उठाउनु पर्ने छ, लसमा गइरहेछन्. अब लोकल गभर्नमेन्टहरूसँग जबरजस्ती गरेर पनि खोलिरहेछन्. हामीले त्यसो गर्न मिल्दैन. Health Minister is again and again he was saying we can't start the school, you can't start the school. He was saying again and again. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for disturbance. Okay, we discussed about the first term exam also. Similarly, after completion of that result of first term exam, we will conduct second term exam also. Let's continue it. हामी यो substitution method, elimination method, graphical method, तीनटा substitution. I said to you that method of putting value substitute गरेर solve गर्ने method. Second one is elimination method of cancelling value. cancelling the variables, either constant terms, cancel out गरेर, elimination, removing out. As you know, in different competitions हरूमा eliminations round भन्छ नि होइन. That means some of the competitors are removed from that. त्यस्तै बुझ्नु पर्यो. In elimination method, we must cancel out the value or remove the value. And third one is graphical method. In graphical method, we have to plot the given equations in graph paper. ग्राफ पेपरमा प्लट गरिसकेपछि अनि त्यसलाई त्यहाँबाट ग्राफ पेपरमा जुन प्लट भएको लाइन्सहरू आउँछन्, बिकज दिज आर लिनियर इक्वेसन्स. एन्ड फ्रम द लाइन्स, आफ्टर प्लटिङ द लाइन्स, we will get point of intersection, and that point of intersection gives us the solution. So let us discuss some examples from our book. यो तीनटैको substitution method, elimination method, and for graphical method, let us discuss some examples. Are you observing soft copy of your book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one example is there in your book. Question is 3x plus 2y is equal to 1050, and next one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 1200. To solve these equations, at first check this one. This 2y is taken to right hand side. 2y लाई right hand side तिर लग्यो. यो के भयो 1050 minus 2y. And after 1050 minus 2y, this 3 is also taken to right side. 3 लाई पनि right side तिर लगेर एउटा यो x को भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट भयो. अनि यो x को भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेपछि यो आएको भ्यालुलाई अर्को इक्वेसनमा राख्नु पर्ने हो, इक्वेसन सेकेन्ड. बिकज भ्यालु अफ x इज क्याल्कुलेटेड फ्रम इक्वेसन फर्स्ट. फर्स्टबाट x को भ्यालु निकालेर इक्वेसन सेकेन्डमा राख्नु पर्ने. Substituting value of x in equation second, and after substituting the value, we will get the value of y. x को value substitute गर्यो भने y को value आउँछ, y को value substitute गर्यो भने x को value आउँछ. And after getting this value of x or y, x र y को एउटा value आइसकेपछि अब चाहिँ त्यो भ्यालुलाई जुनसुकै इक्वेसनमा पनि राख्न मिल्छ. We can put this value of y either in equation first or in equation second. सुरुमा यो भेरिएबल को फर्ममा थियो. इक्वेसन फर्स्टबाट जुन हामीले भ्यालु अफ x निकालेका थियौं, यो x को भ्यालु इक्वेसन को फर्ममा थियो. भेरिएबल छ यसमा. देयर इज भेरिएबल y इनसाइड इट. सो वी मस्ट पुट इट इन इक्वेसन सेकेन्ड. फर्स्टबाट निकालेको भ्यालुलाई सेकेन्डमा राख्नुपर्छ, या सेकेन्डबाट भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गर्यो भने फर्स्टमा राख्नुपर्छ. बट आफ्टर क्याल्कुलेटिङ न्युमेरिकल भ्यालु अफ द भेरिएबल, भेरिएबलको न्युमेरिकल भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेपछि यसलाई जुनसुकैमा राख्दा पनि हुन्छ. आइदर यु मे पुट इट इन फर्स्ट or in equation second. Then you will get value of x also. Okay, this is the simple process. You may check it in your book afterward also. So let us look at next process. This is the process of checking shown here. यो चेकिङ प्रोसेस दिएको छ. x र y को भ्यालु निकालिसकेपछि by putting value of x 150 and the value of y 300, left hand side is equal to right hand side is observed. Then we can say that our solution is right. We get the solutions in right way. Right solution आयो भन्ने हो. Second one is elimination method. In elimination method, we have to cancel out the value. यो cancel out गर्नुपर्ने छ. जस्तो यहाँनिर 4x र 3y छ. 4x and 3y, and in next one there is 5x 2y. To cancel out the given values 3y र 2y त directly cancel out हुने होइन. So equation first is multiplied by 2, equation second is multiplied by 3 to make same value. Check here, यहाँ पनि 6y भयो, यहाँ पनि 6y भयो. In both equations we get 6y. So to get same value, we must multiply the equations. Either only one equation, कुनै क्वेशनमा एउटा इक्वेसनलाई मात्रै मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने पनि हुन सक्छ, कुनै क्वेशनमा दुईटै इक्वेसन्सहरुलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने पनि हुन सक्छ. जस्तो यो इक्वेसनमा दुईटै क्वेशन्सलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेको छ. दुईटै इक्वेसन्समा एउटालाई 2 ले अर्कोलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरिसकेपछि then for elimination one equation is subtracted from another one. First इक्वेसनलाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरेर सेकेन्ड इक्वेसनलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरिसकेपछि एउटा इक्वेसनबाट अर्को इक्वेसन सबट्र्याक्ट गर्ने भनेको छ, सबट्र्याक्टिङ द इक्वेसन. If one is negative and another is positive, we don't have to subtract, we have to add those, because negative and positive will be cancelled. हामीले subtract गरेर राख्नु पर्ने हुँदैन, डाइरेक्टली क्यान्सल हुने हो. So this is the method of cancelling. After cancelling 6y and 6y, remaining value is 15x minus 7x, 8x, sorry, it is 7x is equal to 270 minus 200, it is 70. From this we get x is equal to 10. अब यो x is equal to 10 आइसकेपछि अर्को इक्वेसनमा राख्यो भने y को भ्यालु पनि आउँछ. We will easily get the value of y. This is second method. And third one is graphical method. Another example is also given. You can check these examples yourself. Next one is graphical. And for graphical method, we have to draw table for both equations. एउटा equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 छ. Second equation x plus 2y is equal to 7 छ. And from this equation, we have to make table like this. Table shown here. And your table prepare गरिसकेपछि for both equations, we have to plot this table in graph paper. Graph paper मा यसरी हामीले plot गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. And after plotting these both tables in graph paper, we will get a point of intersection. You can observe here inside this box. यो box मा यहाँनिर एउटा table point of intersection देखिँदैछ. Isn't it? Are you observing it? Mouse cursor.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this point is point of intersection, or we can say point of common solution. यो पोइन्टलाई point of common solution भन्दा पनि हुन्छ, or you can say point of intersection. यो पोइन्टले जे रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ त्यो हाम्रो एन्सर हो. That means 1 2 3 to the x axis and 1 2 to the y axis. x को भ्यालु 3 अनि y को भ्यालु 2 भन्ने यो पोइन्टले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ. So this is the third process to calculate the simultaneous linear equation. Okay, by these three methods we will solve the simultaneous linear equation. So now let's move to our exercise. Exercise 10. Solve the pair of equation by substitution method and check the solutions. Sometimes only it will say it to you that use substitution method, elimination method or graphical method. त्यो भनेको बेला त्यसरी गर्ने हो. Otherwise, if it is not said to solve by substitution method or elimination method or graphical method, in those cases you can use any of the method as your choice, which you think this is easier for you. जुन आफूलाई सजिलो लाग्छ त्यो मेथड युज गर्न सकिन्छ. If it is not stated, use substitution method, elimination method or graphical method. So check this question. X plus y is equal to 7 and 3x plus y is equal to 15. These two equations are given to us and we have to solve these equations by substitution method. That means we have to put value of x or y from one equation out of these two. यो दुईटाबाट एउटा इक्वेसनबाट x वा y को भ्यालु निकालेर अर्को इक्वेसनमा राख्नु पर्ने हो. That is the substitution method. So for that, at first let us take these two equations as one equation is equation first, x plus y is equal to 7, and next one 3x plus y is equal to 15. So at first take equation first, x plus y is equal to 7. From this equation, take any of the variable to another side. Just right now I am taking this variable y to right side and it becomes x is equal to 7 minus y. Is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
Y is taken to right side. Y उता लगेर minus भयो, यतापट्टि plus थियो. We have to put this value in equation second because this is obtained from equation first. Putting value of x in equation second, value of x is 7 minus y. In place of this x, we have to put 7 minus y. Now multiply this one. 7 3 ja 21 and 7 3 into y 3y plus y is equal to 15. And take this 21 to right side again. 15 minus 21 and minus 3y plus y, it is minus 2y. Now 15 minus 21, it is minus 6. Minus and minus are cancelled from both sides. If 6 is divided by 2, it gives us 3. So value of y is 3. In these lines, if there is any problem, you may share it to me.
No problem, sir.
Okay. If there is no problem, now put this value of y in any of these two equations, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. That is your choice. First ma राख्ने या second ma तिमीहरुले आफ्नो इच्छा अनुसार राख. So I am putting value of y in equation first. X plus y is equal to 7. In this, value of y is 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 7. Now take this 3 to right hand side. X is equal to 7 minus 3, and this gives x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3 are our required answer. The solution is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is clear, let's move to one more question related to substitution method. Solve the pair of equation by substitution method. Question number 10. I solved two questions, two different type of questions. So in this question, in first equation there is positive sign, in second equation there is negative sign, and both variable have the constant terms, that is coefficient terms. फर्स्ट इक्वेसनमा कोफिसिएन्ट टर्महरू थिएन 3 र 4 यस्तो भ्यालुहरू थिएन x plus y equal to 7 डाइरेक्टली थियो. So here are variable as well as their coefficients also. So process is same as last one, that is as like question number 1. 3x plus 4y is equal to 27. Take 4y to right side for this one. Let us write second equation also. Second equation is 7x minus 2y is equal to 29. And after this, from equation first, take 4y to right side, or you may take 3x also. 3x लाई right side तिर लगेर यहाँबाट y को भ्यालु निकालेर y को भ्यालु सब्स्टिट्युट गरे पनि हुन्छ. You may try that yourself. Okay. So 3x is equal to 27 minus 4y, and x is equal to 27 minus 4y divided by 3. If 3 is taken to right side, we must take it in denominator. Divide garnu parcha, because it is in form of multiplication here to left hand side. So x is equal to 27 minus 4y divided by 3. After finding the value of x from equation first, put this value of x in equation second. That means in place of this x, यहाँनिर भएको x को ठाउँमा 27 minus 4y divided by 3 राख्नु पर्ने हो. 7 times value of x is 27 minus 4y by 3 minus 2y is equal to 29. Other things are same. X is replaced by this one. X लाई यसले replace गरे 27 minus 4y divided by 3. Sorry. Now multiply it inside. 7 into 27, it is 189 minus 7 for the 28y divided by 3. Multiply the numerator by this 7. Minus 2y is equal to 29. Now simplify it by taking the LCM. LCM liu. LCM is 3. If LCM is 3, this 2y, we have to multiply this 2y by 3. Or यो दुईटा यस्तै हुन्छ. Only 2y is multiplied by 3. 189 minus 28y minus 6y, because 2 3 is 6, divided by 3 is equal to 29. After this line, take this 3 to right hand side, and minus 28 8y minus 6y, it is minus 34y. If 29 is multiplied by 3, it becomes 87. यता गएर 87 भयो. 189 minus 34y is equal to 87. And take 87 to left side, 34y to right side. Variable एकतिर, constant एकतिर लैजानु पर्यो. 189 minus 87, it is 102. And if 102 is divided by 34, it is equal to 3. So value of y is 3. One value is calculated. Value of one variable is calculated. Now remaining thing is next variable, that is x. अब x find out गर्नु पर्ने छ. For that, put value of y in equation first or in second. I am going to put value of x in equation first. If we will put this value in equation first, value of y is 3. 4y. 4y को ठाउँमा 4 into 3 भयो. Other terms are same. This is 3x plus 12 is equal to 27. Take 12 to right hand side. 27 minus 12. Then 3x is equal to 15, or x is equal to 15 divided by 3. It is equal to 5. And these are our required answers. X is equal to 5 as well as y is equal to 3. Is there any confusion in its solution?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you may check it again. Process of question number 1 and 10 are same, but just the equations are different. Equation different भएको हुनाले अलिकति यो solution गर्ने process अलि lengthy भयो, isn't it? Otherwise both are similar questions. एउटाबाट x को value निकालेर अर्कोमा राख्यौं, अर्कोमा राखिसकेपछि simplify गर्यौं, y को value आयो, त्यो value एउटा equation मा राख्यो भने x को पनि आइहाल्यो. So this is the simple process to solve the simultaneous linear equation by substitution method. So try to complete remaining questions of question number A. A मा भएको बीचमा 8 वटा question बचे. Those are your homeworks. Try those, utilize your whole day, because I think you are free for a day. कसैको केही काम
Yes,
होला,
sir.
प्यारेन्ट्सहरुले केही काम दिएको होला, son or my daughter do this, but most of you are free for whole day. Then thank you very much. This much for today, and join your next class.
Thank you, sir.